How to delete project elements. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to use the delete command in the software. It is one of several commands that follow a consistent pattern. Once you understand the workflow, the same approach carries over to all project elements in the software. Here we have an existing project with different elements, including cross-sections, river reaches, and more, placed on the map view. At some point in your workflow, you may need to remove one or more of these elements. Let's say you want to delete a cross-section. The quickest approach is directly through the map view. Click on a cross-section to select it, then press the delete key on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can right-click on the cross-section and choose delete from the context menu. Once you hit delete, a confirmation dialog will appear asking you to confirm before anything is removed. Click yes to confirm or no to go back. If you do not need the confirmation prompt each time, you can turn it off from the Options Backstage page using the Confirm Deletion checkbox. With the confirmation turned off, elements will be deleted immediately without any prompt. Also, if you accidentally delete an element, no need to worry. You can always undo the action using the Undo button on the Quick Access toolbar or by simply pressing Ctrl+Z. You can also click and drag across the map view to select multiple cross-sections and delete them all in a single step. However, in a complex model with many elements, zooming and panning across the map view to locate and delete specific ones can be time-consuming. For those situations, the software provides dedicated delete commands for each element type. In this project, for example, there are many cross-sections. To delete a specific cross-section by its ID or remove multiple cross-sections at once, you can use the Delete Cross-Sections command. It lists all the cross-sections in a table, making it easy to find and select exactly what needs to be removed. To open it, head over to the Input ribbon menu, open the Cross-Sections drop-down, and select the Delete Cross-Sections command. The Delete Cross-Sections dialog box will open, showing all the cross-sections in your project listed under the Select Cross-Sections section. If you had any cross-sections already selected on the map view before opening this dialog, they will appear pre-selected in the list. From here, you have a few ways to make your selection. The simplest is to check the corresponding checkboxes directly in the list. If you need to remove all cross-sections at once, click the Select All button. You can also click the Pick button to select cross-sections directly from the map view. Once the cross-sections are selected, the total selected field will show how many cross-sections are marked for deletion. The dialog also includes an Adjust Upstream Cross-Section Flow Lengths checkbox, which is enabled by default. When checked, the software automatically updates the flow lengths for the remaining upstream cross-sections to account for the deletion, keeping your model geometry consistent. Once you are ready, click OK to proceed and complete the deletion. And that covers the delete command. It provides a quick, direct way to remove model elements, such as cross-sections, reaches, junctions, and more. From here, you can continue refining your project or use the Draw and Assign commands to replace any elements you have removed.